Hi, my name is Randy Lowen. I've been selling and servicing cleaning equipment for Flexo products for over 30 years, and today I will talk about the maintenance and operation of the advanced SC100 automatic floor scrubber. To begin, remove the recovery and solution tanks. The white solution tank should be filled with clean water. The solution tank cap can be used as a measuring cup when adding cleaning solution. Be sure to follow the directions printed on the label. Reassemble the recovery and solution tanks and install on the machine. To operate the machine, turn on the main switch and then push the start-stop button. Press the solution buttons to select either normal cleaning or deep cleaning. Lower the handle and begin cleaning. For double scrubbing, flip the pedal to lift or lower the squeegees. We can use the wand for detail cleaning. When you're finished cleaning, place the machine in the upright position, store the cord in the cord holder, and empty and rinse the recovery tank. Here I'm showing how to change the hard floor brush and squeegee with a blue carpet brush and pickup shoes. Always refer to your operator manual for further details. The single pass scrub and dry performance provides quick access to cleaned areas, and the comfortable two-hand grip combined with its lightweight makes maneuverability and transport easy for any operator. The advanced SC100 upright scrubber can help you minimize wasted energy, time, and solution. The SC100 is perfect for coffee shops, convenience stores, restaurants, waiting rooms, gas stations, and small offices. Thank you for watching this tutorial of the advanced SC100. For further information, contact us at flexoproducts.com.